Yeah, hi, good morning everyone. This is Rajesh Palvia from the technical desk. I just take you through the Nifty technical view as well as the USD technical view for the day. In the last trading session, Nifty opened on a positive note and remained in the volatile mode in last trading session. Nifty gained around 28 points compared to the previous trading session and closed at 7736 level for the day. In the last trading session, Nifty formed a doji candlestick pattern on the daily chart, which is a sign of indecisiveness amongst the participants. So for today's trade, yesterday's high and low is very important. If Nifty breaks the previous day low of 7705, then we will see furthermore downside to remain continue, and Nifty can go down for level of 7680, 7650, which are the next important support area for near term basis. On the higher side, 7750, 7780 would act as a resistance for any kind of pullback action on the higher side. So until unless Nifty not crosses 7780 level, will not see any kind of comfort on the buying side in the market, and whenever we see any kind of pullback action, will meet to the supply pressure on the higher side. Nifty is now trading below its 20-day simple moving average, which is very important for near term trend. So if Nifty continues to remain below below this 20-day simple moving average, then we'll see supply pressure to remain there in the market, because it's very important for near term trend. So until Nifty not manages to hold and cross this level, we'll see the supply pressure to remain for any kind of pullback action. However, if we look at the other moving average like 50 DMA, 100 DMA, Nifty is holding that level, which is suggesting that medium term trend is still positive on the for the Nifty. So our preferred strategy is buy on dips near to the major support area whenever we see opportunity in the market. If we look at the indicators also, the daily chart is suggesting that the RSI as well as the momentum oscillator both are in negative territory, and suggesting that there would be supply pressure on the any kind of pullback action. The momentum oscillator is in oversold territory, so we might see some sort of consolidation action at the current level, or we might see some sort of pullback action from current level in the near term basis. For the day, 7740 is the important level to watch for. If Nifty crosses this level, then only we'll see bullishness for the day, and on the higher side, 7775, 7810 are the resistance area for intraday basis. If Nifty not crosses 7740 level, then lower side support would come at around 7700, 7670 for intraday basis. Now moving to the stocks front, some positive bias stocks for the day are Bharat Forge, Federal Bank, Reliance Infra, Petronet and Wipro. Negative bias stocks for the day are Canfin Home, Godrej Industry, Ultratech Cement and NBCC. Now moving to the USD view, in the last trading session, USD opened on a flat note and remained in very tight range throughout the session. USD has formed a small bearish candle carrying the either side shadow, suggesting that there is still indecisiveness among the participants at the current level. So at the current level, 66.95 is the important level to watch for. If USD manages to give the breakout of 66.95, then it will continue further upside move, and on the higher side, 67.05, 67.25 could act as a resistance on the higher side. However, on the lower side, 66.75, 66.60 are the good support area for any kind of corrective action. Looking at the chart pattern, the USD has formed a higher high-low formation compared to the previous trading session, suggesting that there is some sort of buying interest at the USD for any kind of corrective action. And USD continuously trading below to its 20-day as well as the 50-day simple moving average, which is suggesting that there is a negative trend for short to medium term basis on the USD. Thank you.